You know what's funny? When you're recording and they're watching you, so you don't want to work. Look at this guy real quick. Look. Look at. He's just waiting. ¿Qué tú estás esperando, brother? Pasa por aquí, camina. Dale, camina. He thinks that like we're doing a TV show here. Papi, esto es, mira, esto es natural todo el mundo. He swears we're filming like a movie. Anyways, this is what I promised you guys. We got a Ferrari, California. Very, very common that we get this all the time here. Dealerships that get these cars on trade. If you look, I'm gonna show you one of the most that we do here. Come close, we're not doing a movie. You see how the dash is all lifting? You see all this? Could you get that on camera? It's all lifting. So it's lifting over there as well. When you guys see what we have to do to correct this, literally, we're gonna take the entire dash out of the car, steering wheel, seats are gonna come out, and then you'll understand the mess and why you bring it to a place that these guys at least are certified and they know what they're taking out and putting back together. Another thing I noticed when I saw it is the seats. They're all worn out. And another big thing with Ferrari that I'll let him get his close-up after, and they have all the buttons are very sticky. I already saw it by looking at it, and it's very normal. It happens with Ferrari, Maserati, it happens a lot. We're gonna get those buttons, and we're also gonna make them perfect so he can resell this car with the new dash fixed. And we'll correct these seats so you don't have to replace the whole leather. It's just stained from the usage. I mean, not stained, it's actually like worn out from the usage. We'll make it brand new. So you're gonna have fun watching this whole thing taken apart. And this guy's over there waiting for me, look. ¿Qué tú haces? A meter mano. A meter mano. He says it takes 20 hours. We'll put a mic on him because he likes to talk Italian, English, Spanish. So let me introduce Orebbi. Orebbi is Cuban, but he's Italian. ¿Cuál era? Italian or Cuban? Italian. Well, he'd rather be Italian, but came from a Cuban background, but was raised, or were you born in Italy? He decided for like a year to leave, and he went to work. I think he went to get the skills he learned here and train other people, but that didn't go very well, right? No te fue muy bien donde tú fuiste. No. They treated him very bad. Te trataron mal. A little bit. So we got him back, and he's here now, and he is the shop manager. And he doesn't talk a lot. But look, he has, you know, good hair like Donald Trump. Guess where we're at, guys? He's watching the Olympics. Davi, you're working and watching the Olympics at the same time.
No, I watch Olympic and work.
Yeah. Davi is the sexiest guy we have here. All the ladies come in and they want to always take pictures with Davi. Davi, what are we doing now? So this is the dashboard, guys, in the Ferrari that Davi loves taking apart. Where's the other piece? The other piece is over there. Hold on. This is the other piece, right? This you already did this.
No.
You haven't? Where's it lifting?
Lifting it is, I see.
Oh, here it is. So this is what happens, you see? And I mean, God knows there's a bunch of theories why this happens, and look at this one. So what I think it is, or I think 100% it is the glue that they use in Europe or Italy is different than the one that we use. And with the heat here, all the cars, that's why you go through this with Bentleys, Ferraris, Rolls Royce, even Mercedes, that happens. And then
Lamborghini.
And Lamborghini. And look at this. Look how just you don't even have to pull it, it's already apart, you see? And then Davi, what are you gonna do next now? What do you do to fix this? So tell everybody what you do.
Clean. Everything clean.
What was that, Davi?
Everything clean.
You're gonna
and
clean
next,
it?
Yeah, and next glue foam.
Glue foam. What is it that you do with it now?
Right now, alcohol.
When you clean it, what do you use? Alcohol, Windex?
Yeah. No, alcohol. Alcohol because taste.
Alcohol?
Yeah.
Are you
Don't
gonna
drink.
Don't drink it.
Don't drink and drive.
Only Avorza.
Only Avorza, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll get the process. A little bit of process. We don't want to see with Davi. We gotta really keep everything as a secret, because what has happened in the past, and this is a true story. A lot of people come here. They love Davi. They're like, oh my God, I've done this all my life, but you're the best. I want to learn from you. Davi shows a little something, and right away, guess what? They think that they're experts. They go out there and they try to open their own place. So Davi is one, there's a couple, but Davi is one of those that has been with me since 2004.
Yeah.
And is not replaceable. So we keep Davi's stuff very quiet, very private, so we don't have people copying what Davi does, right? Because Davi is the best. Say you're the best, Davi. Say it.
No, I'm good.
He's the best. So we'll show a little bit of what Davi does to fix it, and then once we put it back, it's never going to lift again, right?
Yeah, no.
Never again.
Guarantee.
Guaranteed.
Not all life, but a long time.
That's good enough.
Yeah.
So we'll see what Davi does now, and we'll show you a little bit of the process, and then putting that Ferrari back together. You're going to put the Ferrari back together?
Yes, of course.
Davi will put it together. He just has a lot of work. Look at all this. Look at all this stuff Davi's doing, guys. Look at all this. All this. These are custom vans that we're working on. Custom vans. And you know what's funny? Davi loves alligator. I mean, there's not alligator, there's snake. Snake. Alligator is over here. And that was, so you guys know what this is. This was Mayweather. We did a Jeep for him. We had a red alligator skin, yellow, and black. Believe it or not, that was the combination Mayweather picked, and we do have a picture somewhere around here. Here's the picture. Where's Mayweather at, Davi? Oh, Mayweather's down here. See him? You should get a picture of the car and include it in that, which I have it for you.
Morning.
And then, oh look, we have an interruption. We have coffee.
Good morning, guys.
Morning coffee. So I'm gonna actually, because he went close to that picture, I'm gonna show you this picture, but I want him, watch, in a couple seconds, you're gonna see the video of the whole interior of that car, but it's up there. I hope you can't see it because of the glare. That way you have to do the video. Okay, so as I was saying, guys, we're gonna give you the video. Oh look, look, he has more video, hold on. I got it. He wants to show you this because he comes out in the picture. It's all glory. Ah, you see, you can't see that. Let's play the video. I came to see, Davi. You see how perfect this guy does? See how the stitching, how perfect? The airbag. Amazing. Now it's really stuck in there, huh?
Yeah.
Are we showing secrets or we don't show that?
Yeah.
That's secrets?
Yeah.
All right. Cut. So we can beat that word. This is Axel Gonzalez, my right-hand guy. So when they finish a car, he comes, make sure everything is good. The lights are not on, there's no big mistakes. process to make sure everything is good. Then he calls me out, and I make sure a second time that it's good, and we're moving forward. So I'm gonna go over everything now with you guys so you can see everything. Damn, bro, I hate getting older. Anyway, so more importantly, we know we did the dash, and I'll have you do a close-up. Actually, give me here, bro. We're doing this for fun. So I grabbed the thing and shut off the camera. Anyways, I turned it back on. So I want you guys to see. Now we have a brand new dash, like nothing ever happened. All the buttons have no sticky anymore. They're all like new. Here. You can continue. No more sticky buttons. Hey, Juan. Let me show you this guy. That guy right there, that's the one we call a delincuente. Like mafia. Always in a bad mood. He smiles, but he's always in a bad mood. He says he's peaceful, but he likes to fight. So that's what it takes to do a dashboard. I wanted you guys to see it because a lot of people have that problem where your dash comes up and they think it's a simple fix. Let me glue it together and let me stick it together. It's not that simple. You saw the process. It's back together. Brand new dash. You know who to call. We got you. Well, I want you guys to know I'm gonna start doing this with many different cars, different jobs we do, because I want you guys to see the whole process, bring you inside, be part of the auto firm, and see what these guys do every day. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow us and the click so you can get notified every time we have a new video, a new process video, because I like these process videos. And you get to also see all these guys in my place, having fun, enjoying what they do. Follow us and subscribe.